How's it doing, guys? It's a day 24 from the LeetCode June challenge, and today's problem is a unique binary search trees. Alright, before we proceed, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. We solve a lot of competitive problems. Alright, now let's begin with the problem. What problem says is, given an n, how many structurally unique BSTs that stores a 1 to n. So what we want is, we would like to find out how many number of different BSTs we can make with a given n. And the numbers we can take is from 1 to n. So let's take one example. Here the given input is 3, all right, and the output is 5. So one thing we know about binary BST is at each node the left subtree, all the nodes on a left subtree will be or smaller as compared to the current node, and all the nodes on a right subtree will be greater with respect to the current node. And this rule will applies to the all the nodes. All right, so it needs to satisfy this rule to the all the nodes. For n is equal to 3, so that means we have 3 numbers 1 2 3, and we can have 5 different combinations of BST we can calculate or we can create, and these are the 5 different ways we can create it. All right, now let's understand with different examples, then it will be more clear. All right, now let's take different values for n and see how many different ways we can create the BSTs with those n's. All right, so let's say we take n is equal to 1. Okay, so that means we have only number 1 as our input. With that we can create only one binary tree because you have only one node, that is going to be your root node. So total number of binary trees BST we can make it is 1. Let's say the second example, we will take n is equal to 2. Okay, with n is equal to 2, that means we have two numbers 1 and 2. So how many different trees we can make with this is, let's say we will keep first time 1 as the root. So in that way your 1 will come as the root and your 2 will goes on right side, because for the BST property needs to satisfy. This is one combination. The second combination, let's say we will put 2 as the root, all right, and your 1 goes on a left hand side. So with n is equal to 2, we have 2 combinations. All right, now let's understand for the n is equal to 3. That means we have now 3 numbers with us. All right, okay, so with n is equal to 3, let's first put 1 as a root. All right, so all the other nodes will go on a right hand side. Okay, this is one combinations. We'll keep 1 as a root, and let's say 3 is second. This is the second combinations. Okay, now other than that we cannot have any other combinations with keeping 1 as a root. So let's move to this 2 and we'll put 2 as a root. So one combinations could be this 1 and 2, because when your 2 is at a root, that means this portion is going to be your left side and this is going to be your right side portion. All right, and with the 2 as a center, we may not have any other combinations here. Sorry, it's a 3. We may not have any other combinations. All right, now let's move to the 3. So when you are at a 3, so the one combinations could be, so in that case when you are at a 3, this will go always on a left hand side because your root is higher. So let's say put 3 as a center. So one combinations could be this. All right, and the other one could be 3. You will keep 1 as here and 2. So with n is equal to 3, we have 5 combinations. All right, now let's say we have n is equal to 4. All right, so in that case we have numbers 1 2 3 and 4. All right, and what all combinations we can make it with a n is equal to 4. So let's say we first time we have decided that we will put 1 as a root. All right, so in that case, let's say my 1 is the root, so this is going to be 3 nodes that is going to be on the left hand side. So that means I have, let's say, combinations of 2 3 and 4 is going to be there with when you put 1 at the center. Okay, let's say, and then we move to the our root to the 2. I have decided to put root at a 2. All right, so in that case, when you are at this node, okay, that means this is going to be your left side. This node will come as a left side, and this all nodes will come at a right hand side. So in that case, whatever the combinations it will make with 1 and 3 4 is going to be, let's say, combinations with 1 into combinations it will make with a 3 and 4. All right, so what we are doing is, when you are putting 2 as a center, so it will make some combinations with 1, and same way it will make some combinations with a 3 and 4, keeping other numbers as is. All right, so if you see here, the same goes for 3 also. When you are at a 3, we have this 2 numbers on left hand side, this one will be on a right hand side. So we'll have some combinations with a 1 and 2, combinations with the 1 and 2 into combinations with a 1, combinations with a 4. All right, and same goes for when you have root at this node. At that time you have combinations with 1, 2 and 3. All right, so when you have n is equal to 4, this is how our the calculation will work. I mean, like, these are the different possibilities of the BST we can make by keeping the nodes at the root. All right, now if you see in this combinations, when you put 1 as a root and keeping 2 3 4 on a left hand side, this means this is going to be we are again creating a BST for n is equal to 3, if you see this clearly. All right, because when you have 1 as a fix, so that means we are playing with a 2 3 4, and 2 3 4 is, again, we can take this as this way only. It is again a 1 2 array given with n is equal to 3 and 1 2 3 only. All right, so same goes for combination of 1. This looks to be combination, or for n is equal to 1 we are calculating it again. Same it goes for here, you are calculating with a 1 and 2, so we are calculating it for n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 2 into n is equal to 1, and same goes for here, we are calculating for n is equal to 3. So if you see clearly, we are keeping one number at a root, the other possible combinations we are creating with that we already calculated before. So if you know n is equal to 3, n equal to 2, then we can get the result for n is equal to 4. All right, so what we are ultimately doing is, when you have n is equal to 4, so we are first giving a chance with each number to be a root, and we are seeing that what all combinations that can be made with that. All right, so what equation we can make is, let's say we have initial state is equal to 1, and then we will give each number as a chance to be part of a root. So initially for 0 and 1 we have already calculated, so we always will start from second index, so we'll go from I is equal to 2 and we'll go till n. Okay, and the second we will use j loop to just split these numbers. All right, so we'll start from 0. When I say split, so we need to check for this one as well as this one. All right, so j is equal to 0 and j will go till I. Okay, and every time we will calculate the state of I with dp of j into dp of your I minus j minus 1. All right, so this way we will get the final result at the dpth last index. Now let's go back to the code editor and write a code for that. All right, now let's first define our dp array. Integer dp is equal to new integer. Okay, and length we will keep as n plus 1. Okay, let's first initialize initial state is equal to 1, and dp of 1 is also going to be 1. All right, now let's first write down outer loop. Integer I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to n, I++. All right. Now let's write down an inner loop that will start from 0 and goes till I. J++. Okay. Now let's calculate the state of dpi. Okay, is equal to dp of j into dp of I minus j minus 1. Okay, and at the end we will return a dp of n. All right, so this will give us the final result. Okay, let's compile it. Okay, it got compiled. Now let's submit the code. All right, it got submitted. Let's review the execution time and memory usage. Ooh, it looks to be good, 100%. Memory wise, we are using extra memory. Alright, so that's it in this video. Hope you like it, guys. If you have a different problem solutions, I would recommend to write it down in the problems comment. See you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye.